Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive into a common problem that many people face when dealing with a computer. The problem at hand is how to recover a deleted file from your computer system. We've all been there accidentally deleting an important file and then frantically trying to figure out how to get it back. Not to worry, because today we have the solution for you. In situations where you've accidentally deleted a file, the solution is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is check your computer's recycling bin or trash folder. More often than not, the file you deleted will still be there, safely stored in the recycling bin, just waiting to be restored. So, the first step in recovering a deleted file is to check these folders for its presence. If you find it there, simply right-click on the file and select the Restore option. And just like that, your file will be back where it belongs. However, if you've already emptied your recycling bin or trash folder, don't panic just yet. There's still hope. The solution in this case involves using a data recovery software. There are various reputable programs available online that can help you recover permanently deleted files from your computer. Simply download one of these programs, follow the instructions for scanning your system, and hopefully, you'll be able to retrieve your lost file. Remember, the key is to act quickly to increase your chances of successful file recovery. In summary, accidentally deleting a file can be a major headache, but it's not the end of the world. By checking your recycling bin or utilizing data recovery software, you can often retrieve your lost files with ease. Hopefully, this video has provided you with the guidance you need to tackle this pesky issue. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite file recovery story. Thanks for watching, and until next time.